What's up, bro?
Nothing.
Think it's cool to sneeze in someone's prox, bro?
Prox?
Yeah, my proximity. You're not very smart, are ya, bro?
Whoa! Is this guy being disrespectful in your prox, bro?
Yeah, bro!
You got a problem with people's proxies, bro? Cause I was in your mom's prox all last night, bro.
Oh!
Oh!
Hey guys, I'm just trying to enjoy this day. So can we just forget about this, please?
No, you're disrespecting my way of life, bro.
By sneezing?
Did I hear this guy correctly? Is he disrespecting your life, bro? Bro, let's kick his
This is getting ridiculous.
Getting sick of your attitude, bro.
My name's not Bro, it's Bobby.